Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to review some of the vowel teams that we have learned. We are going to learn 2 new ones, and we are going to learn some trick words. So let's get ready to learn. I'm going to say some of these vowel pairs, and you can repeat after Baby Echo, okay? These are the ones we've learned so far. A-I, bait, A. You say it. Good. A-Y, play, A. Good. E-E, jeep, E. You say it. Good. E-A, eat, E. Your turn. Good. E-Y, key, E. Your turn. And if you notice, these say A, and these all say E. Let's try some more. O-I, coin, Oi. Your turn. Good. O-Y, boy, Oi. Your turn. Good. O-A, boat, O. Your turn. Good. O-E, toe, O. Your turn. Good. O-W, snow, O. Say it. O-W, plow, ow. Your turn. See, O-W is a little tricky because it says the O sound, like in snow, and it says ow, like in plow. It makes 2 different sounds. Okay, so these say oi, and these say O, but this one can also say ow. Okay, we're going to look at 2 new ones today. This one and this one, okay? Now, this is OU. This is a special kind of soup made of fish, and that fish is a trout. It's trout soup, right? So now, if you see the word trout here, T-R-O-U-T, it's O-U, trout, ow. You say that. Good. O-U, soup, ooh. You say it. So you see, O-U can say ow, and O-U can say ooh. Okay? Now we're going to look at O-O. Okay? And this is a school book, right? Now when we see the word school, O-O says ooh, right? So you're going to repeat that after me. O-O, school, ooh. You repeat that. Good. O-O, book, Your turn. Very good. So now we know all of these vowel sounds, okay? And you're going to notice that the O-W is in some of your spelling words this week. So pay attention to that when you do your spelling, okay? Good job. Now I'm going to show you 2 new trick words, okay? So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say the sentence and show you how I write it. The sentence is, do you have any crayons? So I want you to watch how I write a sentence. So when you write your spelling sentences this week and things like that, pay attention because we have to start always with a capital letter, and we have to think of the trick words we know. And we also have to think about how we can sometimes tap out words, okay? So do you have any crayons? Do. That's a trick word from a long time ago, so we know how to spell it. We're going to start it with a capital letter. Do you. We know how to spell you. That's a trick word. We have it memorized now. Do you have is another trick word that we've learned in the past. We just know how to spell that, right? If we don't, we can write it in the air a few times and practice it until we remember it. Now I can go back and touch this. Do you have any? We'll talk about that in a second. Any. And I don't have enough room here, so I'll go over here to write crayons. Cray. C-R. A. Wow. You know what? I think I have to use one of those vowel teams. A-Y. Cray. On is O-N. And what do I have to put at the end to make it say crayons? Good, a suffix S. Do you have any crayons? So I'm asking a question, so I don't put a period here. What do I put, boys and girls? Very good, a question mark. You see that? And I want you to pay attention to my handwriting here because you've had a few videos on this now. Do you see how neat the letters are? Okay, and the capital letter is taller. The H is a tall letter. It's a skyline letter, right? And the Y's go all the way down to the worm line, okay? And even if you're writing in a notebook and you don't have these lines, the word you would look like this, okay? The Y still goes below the line. Okay, so pay attention to that with your handwriting. Okay, anyway, we have this sentence now. Do you have any crayons? I just circled a word. Do you know what word I just circled? You can call it out. Good, any. That's our new trick word, okay? Now you please write it in the air while I write it on the board. Ready? A, N, Y spells any. Okay, that's one of our new trick words today, okay? You're going to be learning to use that in a sentence too with your spelling. Now I'm going to erase this sentence and write another one. The sentence is, how many do you have? So we know how to spell how. It was a trick word, but guess what? We know that we can even sound this out also. Start with a capital H. Ow. Do you remember what vowel pair says ow? Good. O-W. How many, I'll talk about that in a minute. How many do you have? Now we know how to spell do already. Call out the letters, please. How do you spell do? Good. How do you spell you? Good. Y-O-U. Oh, I forgot what I was writing, so we could always go back and check what we were writing. How many do you have? Does anybody remember how to spell have? Call it out. Good. I hope you said H-A-V-E. Now, I'm asking a question, so do I put a period at the end of the sentence? No, we put a question mark, right? How many do you have? Now, I'm going to circle this word. Do you know what word I circled? Many. That's our other trick word, okay? I'm going to write it here, and you write it in the air. Ready? M-A-N-Y. Isn't that funny? It rhymes with any. Any and many rhyme, okay? That's your other trick word that we're learning this week. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do is get Baby Echo back here. And I'm going to have you write some sounds and words on a piece of paper and also a sentence. So you need a paper numbered from 1 to 9. And here we go. You can stop the video if you need more time to write the sounds. For number 1, let's review this digraph. Th, as in think or thank. Just write the th sound at the beginning of the word. For number 2, please write the sh sound, as in ship or show. For number 3, we're going to review the ch sound, as in chop or chip or chair. For number 4, please tap this out. It's a spelling word, and tap out all the sounds. There are a lot of sounds here. The word is shrimp. I'll tap it out this time with you. Shrimp. Wow, there are 5 sounds in that word. Shrimp. For number 5, please write the word squint. When you squint your eyes when you're in the sun. You kind of close them up a little bit. Squint. Squint. You should tap that out too yourselves. For number 6, you're going to write the word stings, like the bee stings me. Okay, first write the base word sting, and then you have to add a suffix at the end. St-ing, sting, and then you add your suffix. For number 7, you're going to write one of your old trick words. We're reviewing some, okay? Come, like she will come to my house. Please write the word come. For number 8, we're writing another trick word that we hopefully have memorized by now. Let's practice it. Over. I jumped over the fence. Just write the word over. For number 9, you're going to write a whole sentence. And here it is. I got a chill from that bad draft. I got a chill from that bad draft. You can tap out almost all of these words, okay? From is a trick word, so hopefully you have that one remembered. Good job, boys and girls. I can't wait to check your work.